Good morning, people of the world! Well, today is a very happy day. Well, araw-araw naman masaya tayo. But today is a very important day dahil kasama natin ang top 50 top performers natin dito sa The Farm at San Benito. Kasama ang ating CEO na si Sir Jonathan Sota, ang ating Vice President na si Sir Carl Lito Macadandang. Guys, samahan nyo kami dito sa venture na to, dito sa journey namin dito sa The Farm at San Benito. Let's go!
This is living now. This is living now. You take me higher than before. It's your perfect love sets me soar. Got your freedom is an open door. You are everything I want and more.
Hi everyone! Kasama ko ngayon ang Team Big 4 at nandito kami sa The Farm at San Benito.
Grabe experience dito, amazing talaga. Maraming salamat Boss Jo, maraming salamat Boss Carl sa napakagandang experience na binibigay niyo po sa amin. Bukod sa kumikita kami ng malaki, ganito po yung nangyayari sa buhay namin. Thank you so much po talaga. House of Franchise, grabe! Woo!
This is living now. You take me higher than I've been before. It's your perfect love sees me soar.
Thank you, Victor, for the 1,000 pesos na ipag-lunch na kami.
You are everything I want and more.
Ang pogi naman ni Ken! Get
It's not just about the place, it's about the people. Kaya kailangan makasama ka next time para ma-enjoy natin yung mga relaxation na ginagawa natin dito sa House of Franchise. God bless guys. I'll see you next travel in Balisin!
See the sun now bursting through the clouds, black and white, turn to color all around. All is new in the Savior I am found. This is living.
Hello guys! Nandito nga kabila kami sa The Farm, San Benito, kung saan, grabe guys, this is part of the top 50 just for fun.
Thank you, Boss Jonathan So and Mr. Carlito Macadangdang, mga boss. Thank you so much and we're really grateful na naging part kami nitong company nito, House of Franchise, JC.
I really encourage more people to be part of the team and really give your best, no? Dito po, maraming salamat. We're so grateful!
Yes, thank you so much, Press and VP.
Ito yung couple goals na kumikita na kami dito sa House of Franchise at the same time nakakapag-travel pa kami at the same time pa rin ang dami naming oras sa isa't isa pati sa pamilya namin.
Thank you, Boss Jo!
Thank you, Boss Carl. Nababalanse ang buhay namin dito sa JC.
Grabe, first time namin dito sa The Farm and talagang sobrang ultimate yung experience, sobrang nakaka-relax after ng hataw natin sa business.
Tama, and grabe, holistic talaga dito. First time ko naka-experience ng ganito and sobra grabe yung gratefulness namin sa ating mga owners, kay Boss Jo and kay Boss Carl.
Kumikita na tayo ng malaki. Meron pa tayo mga ganitong incentive sa HOF, di ba? Simple, easy, and fun.
This place is really amazing. Ang sarap ng feeling na kumikita ka na and at the same time nakakapag-relax ka pa.
Nakakatuwa yung pakiramdam na hard work pays off talaga. Kasi nakita naman natin, di ba, na talagang binabalanse ng mga owners natin sa aming mga distributors, sa aming mga franchisees, na talagang kumita at the same time, sobrang nag-e-enjoy kami while doing it. So maraming salamat, House of Franchise.
Sobrang saya ng experience. Feeling ko, celebrity kami. Thank you, House of Franchise. Thank you, Boss Jo and Boss Carl and HOF Management.
Salamat sa ating owners, si Boss Jo, Boss Carl, salamat. Salamat sa mga incentives na binibigay nyo sa amin.
Thank you, Boss Jo and Boss Carl.
Grabe talaga pag nakapasok ka sa top 50.
Grabe, dati nakikita lang namin sa mga artists. Pero ngayon, nandito na kami ngayon.
Dreams do come true. English yan.
JC Top 50, see you in Balisin!